parties and flying displays over the old Great West Aerodrome. This big Concorde formation, which is being flown for the first time, is in dramatic contrast to the wood and canvas biplanes that delighted spectators of an earlier age. Well, what an amazing sight. But finally, the British Airways latest acquisition, the Boeing 777, which is Boeing's first fly-by-wire airliner. It's almost indistinguishable from its main rival, the A330, tall perhaps, but the most expert of plane spotters. This is one of only 3 in service with British Airways. They've got another 12 on order, 5 of this, the A version, plus another 7 of the B version, which has a longer range, and they've got options for 15 more.
You join me now on the flight deck of the new Boeing 777. This twin jet will be the last significant multi-passenger aircraft of the millennium. The instruments confronting the flight crew are not the needles and dials of yesteryear, but VDU screens. The displays can be selected from a menu in exactly the way you select the same on your laptop or computer games. In British Airways service, the 777, powered by 2 General Electric G90 turbofans, will carry 325 passengers up to 5,000 miles. Later versions will fly 8,000 miles non-stop. 50 years ago, when Heathrow first became operational as a passenger terminal, the air crews, powered by overstretched piston engines, navigated their way to New York or Sydney or Cape Town or wherever with primitive radio aids and by reference to the stars. In those 50 years, trans-global air travel has changed the world. And throughout those 50 years, the name of London Airport Heathrow has won the respect and admiration of all those aviators who have flown into and out of it. But airports are not just about aeroplanes and runways and buildings, they are about people. And Heathrow's people have every right to celebrate those past 50 years and look forward to the next half-century.